How do I compare comprehensive coverage quotes? If you are wondering how to compare comprehensive coverage quotes effectively, you are in the right place. Understanding what comprehensive coverage includes is the first step. This type of coverage protects your vehicle from damages that are not related to collisions. This includes theft, vandalism, natural disasters, and certain weather events. Now, let's break down how to compare those quotes. First, ensure that you are comparing quotes with consistent coverage levels. Look for the same coverage limits and deductibles. The deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance starts to pay. Different deductibles can greatly affect your premium, so make sure they are equal across the quotes you are looking at. Next, do not just focus on the price. The cheapest quote might not be the best option for you. Consider additional features that may come with the policy. Some policies offer perks like accident forgiveness or declining deductibles. These features can add value and potentially save you money in the long run. Another important aspect is the reputation of the insurance company. Research the companies that are providing the quotes. Look into their customer service quality and how they handle claims. A slightly higher premium for a more reliable insurer can be worth it for peace of mind. You should also check for any state-specific requirements. Insurance coverage laws can vary by state, so make sure the quotes comply with your state's minimum coverage laws. Additionally, consider any optional coverages you might want alongside comprehensive coverage. Using online comparison tools can make your search easier. These platforms allow you to compare multiple quotes side by side from various insurers. You can filter by coverage type, limits, and deductibles, which helps you find the best fit for your needs and budget. Do not forget to consider your personal risk factors. Your location, the type of vehicle you drive, your driving history, and even your credit score can affect your rates. When comparing quotes, ensure that the insurer has taken these factors into account. Lastly, review the policy details carefully. Look for exclusions, claim limits, and any extra fees or discounts. Sometimes, policies that seem similar in price can differ in what they cover or how claims are processed. By following these steps, you can make a well-informed decision when comparing comprehensive coverage quotes. This way, you will find the right protection for your vehicle at a competitive price.